Welcome to my channel.
Yan yung bridge. Ito yung Kampong Ayer. Then yan yung bridge. Ang ganda. Wow. Ito yung masjid ng the Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque, or unofficially Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque, is a mosque in Bandar Seri Begawan, the capital of Brunei. Omar Ali Saifuddin III, the 28th Sultan of Brunei, is credited with building the mosque, thus its name. The height is 52 m. Architectural, Mughal architectural, open 1958. Capacity is 3,000. Completed is 26 September 1958. Construction cost is $5 million. Late to 225 feet and 69 m. This is the Omar Ali Saifuddin Mosque. Napakaganda. Ang ganda ng kanyang architecture at saka puro kahoy na sa loob. Ang ganda ng kanilang chandelier. This is Omar Ali Saifuddin here in Bandar Seri Begawan, Brunei Darussalam. Salamat po sa panonood. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless.